At dawn, the world wakes up to new possibilities. Streets hum, dreams take flight, and progress reaches new heights. A quiet force drives it all. CG Power and Industrial Solutions Limited, an engineering conglomerate with a rich and diverse portfolio of products and services, has been the driving force for more than 88 years, powering economies, industries, and your everyday lives. CG Motors, the force behind every motion. 1 in every 3 motors in India carries the CG name. We don't just power industries, we set them in motion. As pioneers of India's first complete range of IE2, IE3 and IE4 motors in India, we continue to redefine efficiency, reliability and performance. Our range of commercial motors is built for performance and durability, powering everyday applications across industries, appliances and compact machinery. Built to perform in the most demanding conditions, our large motors and generators power everything from heavy industry and transportation to utilities and power plants. CG Drives, the force behind intelligent automation. From smart factories to seamless infrastructure, our advanced drives and automation technologies optimize performance, reduce energy consumption, and drive progress every day. CG Consumer Products, the force behind reliable comfort everywhere. Since re-entering the FMEG segment in 2019, we have been delivering a wide range of consumer electrical products, including industrial and domestic fans, pumps, water heaters and air coolers, ensuring comfort, efficiency and reliability in homes and workplaces alike. From factories to farmlands, homes to highways, CG moves the world forward. CG Transformers, the force behind powering progress. As one of the top 5 leading Indian manufacturers of high-performance power and distribution transformers, we have been powering the nation's progress while supporting global power infrastructure. Our transformers power industries and communities, accelerating economic growth and enabling innovation. CG Switchgears, the force behind your everyday reliability. Our advanced switchgear solutions ensure seamless power transmission, keeping industries, homes and communities running smoothly. From cutting-edge condenser bushings and current transformers built to perform even in high altitude and seismic zones, to gas circuit breakers, surge arresters and indigenous gas-insulated switchgear, 11 kilowatts to 245 kilowatts, our products meet the highest global standards such as IEC and IEEE. With customized automation systems, we ensure reliable protection and uninterrupted performance. CG Railway Systems, the force behind seamless connectivity. We connect people and empower nations with our smart engineering solutions for electric locomotives. From traction motors and propulsion systems to advanced railway signaling equipment. Our innovations in diesel-electric power cars and signaling equipment ensure safer, more efficient journeys every day. Through our various railway units, we deliver high-performance systems that power trains and streamline operations. We are proud to lead the way with Kavach, a groundbreaking system that enhances train safety by preventing collisions through automatic braking and real-time signal monitoring. From sunrise to sunset, we empower lives. From progress to promise, we help shape ambitions into reality. CG, the force that innovates today, inspires tomorrow, and builds legacies.